In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Zoho in just a few easy steps. Whether you're new to Zoho or simply trying to figure out the quickest way to sign out, this guide has you covered. Logging out is important, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, and it helps keep your account secure. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to have your Zoho account open. If you're already logged in, you're halfway there. Open any Zoho application you're working on, Zoho Mail, Zoho CRM, you name it. The process is the same across their various applications, so there's no need to worry about having to learn it all over again for a different app. Once you have Zoho open in front of you, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where your profile image or avatar resides. It's typically a circular icon and might be a little profile picture if you've uploaded one, or just a default icon provided by Zoho. The next thing you want to do is click on that profile image. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains different options pertaining to your account settings and other useful features, but don't worry if it seems like there are a lot of choices. It's organized and you'll quickly spot the option you're looking for. In this drop-down menu, look closely for the sign out option. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list, making it easy to find. Once you've located it, go ahead and give it a click. And just like that, you're logged out of Zoho. It's really as simple as that. With these steps, you can easily log out of Zoho whenever you need to. This is particularly useful when you've finished your tasks for the day or if you need to switch accounts, ensuring that your information remains secure. I'd recommend getting into the habit of logging out every time you finish using Zoho, particularly if you're not on a personal device. It's a quick and easy way to protect your data and maintain privacy. Remember, staying aware of your account security is an integral part of managing your online presence efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Until next time, take care and keep your accounts safe.